Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Update iOS and confirm you have the original charger or a high-quality MFI cable. Next, enable low power mode to immediately cut background activity. This reduces CPU spikes and network use. Once done, lower screen brightness to around 50% and set auto lock to 30 seconds so the display sleeps quickly. Make sure to disable background app refresh and unused location services because apps syncing constantly are a major silent battery drain. Now focus on detailed execution. Prioritize Wi-Fi since cellular radios consume more power, and switch off Bluetooth when not using accessories. Enable optimized battery charging so the phone learns your routine and slows charging past 80% to reduce wear. Charge in short bursts between 20% and 80% rather than extreme cycles. Also adjust mail to fetch less often or set to manual. Push notifications wake the device frequently. These choices reduce thermal stress and preserve capacity over months. To finish, audit battery usage by app and restrict or delete apps that monopolize power. You can background restrict or limit permissions. Enable system-level dark mode on OLED iPhones and disable dynamic wallpapers to cut display energy. Restart your phone once a month and keep apps updated for efficiency fixes. If you still see rapid drain, reset all settings to rule out misconfigurations. If that fails, run Apple Diagnostics or visit support. One key tip: track battery health percentage for long-term decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.